This is the first feature I'm going to show you guys that applies to our trade counter customers. So our customers in electrical distribution, builders, merchants, welding and gas. And it's a feature called Quote Builder. Now, what Quote Builder allows you guys to do is basically extend free quoting software to your contractors. So imagine that your end user customers are an electrical contractor or a plumbing contractor or a general builder, and they've got a requirement to raise quotes on behalf of their customers. So this is a feature that's going to help you build that relationship, make that relationship super sticky, and make that contractor want to do business with you versus someone else. So the way that you access this, so if I go ahead and build a shopping cart, and it's a bad example, guys, right? But I'm going to add radial discs. Just imagine it's, I don't know, timber or, supplies for a garage extension, something like that. So if I add a bunch of products to the cart, and then I go to the main shopping cart view, you're going to see a new button in here called Add to Quote. So if I go Add to Quote Builder, it says, okay, Paddy, do you want to create a new quote or do you want to add it to one you've already got? So I'm going to create a new quote and we'll call it the Unstoppable Quote. And we'll go ahead and click Add. System's going to refresh, drop us straight into that quote screen. And what you'll notice is we've already pulled the details through for the logged in customer, in this case, the contractor. The contractor's got the ability to update their logo so that when the quote gets sent to the end user customer, it goes with the contractor's logo. Underneath here, you're going to see the quote items, and I'm going to return to that in just a second. But if we come back up here, we're going to add the end user customer details here. So let's put in the PO reference for the customer. When's the job going to take place? What's the name of the customer? Their email address. Oh man, why can't you type when people are watching? Look away, you guys are making me nervous. We'll call this the garage extension. Will be the subject for the quote. Email. Okay. And then we'll put the end user customer's contact information. And so I'm just going to put some test data in here. Alrighty. Last thing here, we can attach things like insurance documents, so public liability insurance documents, any other documentation the contractor would want to ship along with the quote. We'll go ahead and save those details. Then we come down to the quote items, and now we've got the ability to add margins to the line items. So we don't want to show the end user customer the raw cost. We want to mark the lines up by, let's say, 10%. We're going to mark this one up by 20%. And then finally, we're going to add a labor cost to the quote. Okay, so we'll add a labor cost. We'll say it's $12,000. Go ahead and click Add. Finally, if they're VAT registered, they can add VAT or tax to the quote. And then finally, they can choose how the lines are presented on the quote that the customer receives. So at this point, we have a quote that's ready to go to the end user customer. So now we can take action. If we click on the action button, we go ahead and we say email quote to the customer. Boom, that gets sent through to the customer. Just so you guys can see what that looks like, we come back to my email account and we just wait a few seconds. Quote's going to show up here. Might just take a few seconds to pull that quote and bring it in. Or we can look at a quote that we made earlier, which would be, there's there, garage extension. Okay, so here's the garage extension quote. Here's the contractor's logo. Here's the details for the quote. At this point, and by the way, we've got the PDF documents, including the liability insurance, a nice PDF version of the quote that's nice and printable. And at this point, all the customer has to do is either accept or reject the quote. If they do that, they're basically agreeing to the quote. And if we come back to the website and we go and view our list of quotes, which we'll do now, we go back into Quote Builder, then boom, we can see that the quote's been accepted. And at this point, the contractor can go ahead, add those products to the cart and check out. Okay. So fantastic new feature, super valuable to our trade customers, our trade counter business customers. I think that one's going to get used extensively, and it's going to help you make those relationships more sticky with the customer.